If you have the Samsung S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra and want to activate the fingerprint sensor, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up and activating your fingerprint. Let's get started. Go to Settings. First, head to your settings. Then, find and tap on Security and Privacy. Next, choose Biometrics and go to Fingerprint. 2. Register your fingerprint. Now, tap on Add Fingerprint. Your phone will ask you to place your finger on the sensor several times to fully register the fingerprint. It's best to scan different parts of your finger for higher accuracy. 3. Additional settings. After registering, you can rename your fingerprint. You can also enable options like fingerprint unlock or use it for apps. 4. Test and done. Now, lock your phone and unlock it with your fingerprint. If it doesn't work properly, make sure your finger is clean and dry, or try re-registering the fingerprint. And that's it. Now your phone is safer and faster to unlock with your fingerprint. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.